Hello, today I'm going to show a space game. Let's see how this works. So I have already done the code. I'm going to explain it. So when this flag is clicked, this is the ghost sprite. The ghost sprite goes to this position and forever. So actually I have to show what this means. Actually x equals to the rocket's x position and y equals to the rocket's y position. So when we click the left arrow, the X position changes by -25, and switch the costumes. And if we click the right arrow, the opposite happens, and that keeps up with the up and down keys. So this behaves like an AI, which we have to defeat. So its X is X2. So when X2 is more than x, no, is bigger than x, is x value changes to -5. And if x is bigger than this value, then the opposite happens. And then same goes for these. So I actually had a mistake in my code. I failed to define x1, y2 to their respective positions. So this is now done. So I'm going to explain this in more detail. So let's play this. So if the oxygen value changes, then the alien value also changes. So this is like AI. Hope you all hope you all liked it.